So today we're with Finn. Finn is recently turned 18, just passed his driving test. He's a serial vapor and ethical computer hacker. And today we're taking him out his comfort zone and we're going to be climbing Kinder Scout. Right, so you may have noticed I've picked up the pace a little bit because we are losing the dark. I've kind of accepted at this point that we are going to be walking back in the dark. End up getting a little jog on, getting the blood flow flowing. Careful, you don't fall. I actually need a piss, but my dick's gonna freeze, so. Finally reached the summit of Kinder Scout. How would you feel?
I feel great.
It's 4:30. We're running out of dark now. It's literally getting dark right now.